While you slept, the world changed. This is not a dramatic opening line. It is a simple statement of fact. The software you used yesterday for simple tasks like email, notes, is now being used to build entire businesses automatically. Large corporations, the ones that shape markets and economies, are already deploying autonomous AI systems. These are not chatbots that answer simple questions. These are systems that execute complex workflows. They perform market research, they write persuasive content, and they close sales, all without significant human intervention. This transformation is happening at a speed that most people are not prepared for. It is a quiet revolution, but its effects will be loud. It is creating a new kind of wealth, and it will leave most people on the wrong side of the divide. This is the great AI wealth gap. It is a new chasm forming in our economic landscape. It is not about the traditional gap between the rich and the poor, but a new one between the owners of systems and the sellers of time. Wealth is rapidly flowing towards those who can build, own, and direct these new AI-driven systems. The assets of this new economy are not factories or physical goods. They are code and media, infinitely scalable and created by intelligent agents. People who understand how to orchestrate these systems will capture a disproportionate amount of the value being created. People who continue to trade their hours for a wage will find their value diminishing in a world where machines can do the work cheaper and faster. You have a choice to make, and it is an urgent one. You can choose to ignore this shift, to believe it is hype or a distant future concern. Or you can choose to learn the new skills required to participate in this new economy. You can become one of the builders. This essay is designed to provide you with a clear and practical path forward. It will show you the exact steps you can take right now to begin. It will introduce you to 3 specific types of AI agents you can build. It will give you a concrete plan that you can execute in just 48 hours. The cost of inaction is high. If you do nothing, you risk being left behind by 2026. This is not a test. This is not a drill. The ground is shifting beneath our feet, and the rules of work and wealth are being rewritten in real time. In 2025, companies began quietly replacing entire departments with small teams operating AI agents. These are not the simple chatbots of years past. These are coordinated systems capable of reasoning, planning, executing tasks. They can analyze market data to find profitable niches, generate entire content campaigns, and run sales funnels to convert attention into revenue. They do not get tired. They do not require benefits or vacation time. They operate around the clock. This is a description of the present. If your work is following a set process day in and day out, an AI agent can perform it more efficiently and at a fraction of the cost. The old advice of hustle culture is dangerously obsolete. You cannot outwork a machine that operates 24/7. You cannot out-hustle a system that can execute 1,000 tasks in the time it takes you to complete one. Valuable work is shifting from performing tasks to designing systems that perform tasks. Change your role. Stop thinking of yourself as a worker who performs tasks. Start thinking of yourself as an architect who designs systems. An architect doesn't lay bricks. They draw the blueprint. In this new economy, the architect designs the automated workflow that does. Use AI agents as building blocks. The AI wealth gap is the gap between architects and workers, between system owners and task performers. An AI empire is not as grandiose as it sounds. It's a collection of automated systems designed to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. It operates with few, if any, traditional employees, thousands of small actions adding up to big value. The business model is built on code and media, the 2 most powerful forms of leverage today. In the old world, leverage meant money and labor. In the new world, it's code that performs work and media that captures attention. Code is the engine, researching, creating content, processing sales. Media is the magnet, blogs, videos, and social updates drawing people into your ecosystem. Code and media can be duplicated and distributed at near zero marginal cost, run 1,000,000 times, seen by 1,000,000 people. The person who owns the code and the media controls the engine of growth. You don't need a complex plan. Start with 3 fundamental agents that form a powerful loop. The research agent finds profitable ideas. The content agent turns those ideas into media. The sales agent converts the audience into paying customers. Together, they create a flywheel. Find a niche, create content, convert. Reinvest into refining agents or expanding into new niches. This is the basic blueprint. Simple, powerful, and you can start building it today with readily available tools. The research agent is your scout. Its primary function is to explore the digital landscape. Identify winning ideas before you invest. It scans for topics people are searching for, analyzes trends for momentum, and assesses competition for pockets of opportunity. Its job is to test many short ideas quickly and cheaply. Use powerful web browsing AI tools like Perplexity. Ask simple, direct questions that lead to actionable intelligence. Your goal isn't an academic report. It's a list of practical, commercially viable ideas. Example: find 5 trending subtopics within home gardening for beginners with high demand but low competition on YouTube. Example: list 20 pain points new freelance graphic designers face finding first clients. The agent should provide data points or reasons for each selection. Teach it to think like a market analyst. Constant problem finding you can solve. The output should be a clear, structured list of opportunities with titles, keywords, and problem summaries. Program scoring, potential profitability, ease of content creation, audience size, so you can sift noise fast. From the prioritized list, select the single best idea based on data, not guesswork. This de-risks your entire operation. Instead of building then finding customers, find problems and build the solution. The research agent automates discovery, your first line of defense against wasting time and your foundation of real demand. The content agent is your factory. It takes validated ideas from your research agent and transforms them into tangible assets. Blog posts, video scripts, newsletters, social updates, and more. Build with frameworks like Crew AI and AutoGen, Chainwriter, Editor, and Formatter agents. You don't need to be a pro writer, be a good editor and prompter. Direct with clear, specific instructions. Write a 600-word article for absolute beginners on container gardening. Use short, simple sentences and include a CTA to download our free potting guide. For social, create 5 short video scripts, each under 60 seconds, strong hook in the first 3 seconds, about common apartment gardening mistakes. End with a simple CTA. The quality doesn't need awards. It must be clear, helpful, consistent. Don't chase a masterpiece. Build a large library that works around the clock. Pair outputs with inexpensive stock photos and stock video clips. Add word-by-word subtitles to all videos. Improves accessibility and boosts retention when sound is off. Human writer, 1 or 2 articles a day. Content agent, dozens of drafts. Your role shifts to director and editor. Review drafts, refine messaging, ensure voice matches your brand. Populate your niche faster than manual competitors. The content agent fills your storefront with products that attract customers, information and entertainment. It's that simple. The sales agent is your cashier. Its job is to convert the attention generated by your content agent into actual revenue. It builds systems that present offers, handle customer interactions, and process transactions. It's a combo of automation platforms and simple CRM. It writes email funnels, builds landing pages, and can answer common buyer questions. It owns the critical last step, turning a viewer into a customer. Prompt: create a 5-email sequence to sell a $27 apartment gardening course. Email 1 welcomes and provides a free tip. Email 3 addresses objections. Email 5 gives a final, urgent call to purchase. Write copy for a simple landing page. Top 3 benefits, price clearly listed, money back guarantee. Connect directly to your content and your payment processor. When someone signs up, the sequence triggers. When someone DMs, a helpful pre-written response guides them to the offer. Start with low-priced offers. A $27 product has far less friction than a $1,000 one. Validate the system quickly. The sales agent tracks opens, clicks, and sales, feeds data back for small, informed adjustments. It automates testing and optimization so you can focus on strategy. You don't need to be a genius coder or a marketing guru. You need 2 things: Good taste and sound judgment. Taste helps you pick a niche and design a product that genuinely helps people. Judgment sets rules and prompts. The tech does the heavy lifting. Your oversight makes it effective. This 48-hour roadmap prioritizes speed over perfection. Day 0, choose your battlefield. Pick a niche you find interesting. Validate demand with Perplexity or Google. Are people asking questions? Are there products? Define a simple product idea. Ebook, course, or templates. Solve one problem for one audience. Don't overcomplicate it. Day 1, Research Agent. Generate 10 ideas with Perplexity, score them, pick the top one. Content Agent. Use Crew AI or AutoGen. Request 3 blog drafts and 5 short video scripts with topic, audience, and tone. Sales Agent. Set up a 5 email automation. Email 1, welcome. Email 2, value. Email 3, offer. Email 4, follow-up. Email 5, final push. Build a one-page landing site with a clear CTA and price. Day 2, publish the landing page. Produce social videos quickly with stock clips. Add word-by-word subtitles. Post 3 pieces across platforms and communities. The goal is data, not virality. Track everything: clicks, email signups, sales. Let the sales agent collect data and adjust. Repeat rapidly. Double down on what works and discard what doesn't. The path to $10,000 a month isn't magic, it's math. Sell a $27 product about 371 times a month, roughly 12 to 13 sales a day. Or a $97 product about 104 times, 3 to 4 sales a day. The challenge is building the system that reliably generates those sales. Your content agent produces the media that drives traffic. Search to blogs, views to social videos, clicks from newsletters. More content, more pathways to your landing page. Your sales agent converts a percentage of that traffic. Persuasive landing pages, automated sequences, and low-friction checkout. The agents handle the volume and repetition required to make the math work. To scale, reinvest a portion of earnings. Paid ads to top content, better AI tools, or a second related niche. Build a second parallel income stream. The system is designed to grow. Agents test and optimize for better conversion and lower acquisition cost. Your role is strategist, not writing every article or answering every email. You analyze agent data and make high-level calls. Is the $27 product converting well? Should we test 47s? Is video outperforming blog? You focus on judgment and taste. The systems execute. This is leverage, detaching income from hours with a simple, repeatable plan. It isn't easy, but it's straightforward and achievable with today's tools. The future will not wait for you to catch up. If you don't understand agentic workflows by year's end, you're not just falling behind, you're becoming economically irrelevant. The window of opportunity for early adopters is closing faster than most people realize. By 2026, this way of building businesses will be common knowledge. Today's simple, profitable niches will be saturated by fast movers and automated systems that copy success at scale. The best time to build your digital lifeboat was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Early builders capture the best channels, cultivate loyal audiences, and gain footholds hard to dislodge. Waiting means competing later in a harder, more crowded market. This is about more than money. It's about autonomy and control in an automated world. If you can design, build, and own systems that generate value, you control your economic future. Owning even a small system gives you leverage, options, freedom. Don't be paralyzed by the scale. Start small. The journey begins with a single step. First, learn agentic workflows. Study the examples and prompts here and find more online. Understand chaining AI tools together. Second, pick one niche for 3 months. Third, use the 48-hour roadmap to build your 3 agents and launch a simple offer. Finally, measure and improve. Traffic, signups, sales. The AI wealth gap is a present reality, rewarding owners of intelligent systems and punishing those who only sell time. Be an architect. Your empire starts with one small, repeatable system. Go make it today.